9 divided by 9 equals 1, 3 divided by 3 equals 1, and 1 divided by 1 equals 1. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have 3 division operators present. According to the rules, we must work from left to right to solve this expression. So we need to solve this division first. 9 divided by 9 equals 1. Our expression becomes 1 divided by 3 divided by 3. Now we need to solve this division because that is on the left side. We can write it as 1 over 3, and then we have divide by 3 present from the original expression, which can be written as 3 over 1. Now we have one division operator present and we have fractions on either side of it. So what we can do is we can use KCF rule here: keep, change and flip. Keep means we keep first fraction 1 over 3 as it is. Change means we change the division operator to multiplication, and flip means we flip the second fraction 3 over 1 as 1 over 3. Now we have multiplication operator present and we have fractions involved on either side. All we need to do is multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators to get the result. So 1 times 1 in the numerator, that gives us 1, and 3 times 3 in the denominators gives us 9, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.